Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ahad Beauty World. This is my first cam video on YouTube. Today I will share with you how to increase long hair with rice water and natural hair growth treatment. First we have to take fresh rice. Then there is 1 or 2 cup of rice in an empty container. I wash the rice water with clean water. After I washing the rice, I give some amount of water. Wait just a minute. Then pour the remaining water and rice into the clean container. Then we need orange peel. I cut the orange peel into small pieces and leave it in the water. Orange peel adds vitamin C to rice water and also marks the smell of fermented water. Shake this water stone a little and leave it in a cold place for 24 to 48 hours. After 48 hours, we change the new into other new container. We have two lot of benefits in this water. First, makes hair stronger and smoother, help hair grow longer, increasing hair shiny. Lastly, we take a spray bottle and then pour the water into the bottle. Friends, how to use this remedy on your hair? Spray rice water on your hair after shampoo. Massage the rice water into the hair and scalp. Eat for 13 minutes. Rinse hair thoroughly using normal water. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and